G'day viewers, well, I got this device working properly now. Eagle Bird Humperdinck. There goes my everything. Classics. Now, I don't think I can put it down to the dictation machine this was. Whoever wrote it before actually used a microphone and held it up to a speaker of an AM radio. I reckon that's what they've done. Because that's literally what it sounds like. It's actually, they've actually used this to record off the radio just by holding the microphone up to a speaker of AM radio. It's just up to a speaker of the radio. That's literally what it sounds like they've done. Just use one of these little mics like this one here actually, which is a microphone that really came with that machine. This microphone here. We just had that literally sitting up at the speaker. That's what he would have done. The tape music with it. See, that's what people used to do on YouTube when they get done for copyright, making videos. Guess that was the equivalent back those days. But what I've basically done, I've repaired the pad underneath the head. The pad's worn right out, so I'll have to make a custom one up. But it's still not thick enough, so what I've done, I've just got a soft cardboard holding that flap up. And it sounds at its best. The treble and the high frequencies at its highest. Also having that there, that also does that. And then another thing that does is actually keep the tape aligned on the pinch roller. It just pulls off otherwise if I don't have that enough pressure on the head. So what I have to do, I've got these little furniture stoppers, which I'll just double one of those up and just double thickness, tape them together, and glue them together, make a really big pad. And that'll should take care of that issue. But the spring itself's fine, just the pad's just worn out so much, it's just not keeping the tape on the pinch roller anymore. The tape gets drifting off the pinch roller. So this is the only way I've been able to fix it for now, just for a test, before I can put a proper rebuilt pad under there. There you go, it works quite well. Until I fix that pad up properly, I can just put the rest of the tape through. This tape here doesn't like it all. I've got to get the machine working really well, because as soon as there's a slight imperfection on the pad, that tape just slips right off. I did have it hooked up to this here too, that sounds pretty good on this big unit here. It sounded pretty nice when I hooked it up to here before, but definitely it's not just the you can actually hear the detail. That's it's obviously I've had it in a quiet room up to the microphone when he recorded that. Judge by the echoing on the tape. You just tell by the plasticky echoing. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. It's working quite well so far. I'm quite happy with it. Put a lot of work into this. Thanks for watching.